Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're going to make a catapult and it's gonna be very nice. So let's get started. But for every activity you need some materials. So the things that you need are rubber band, ice cream sticks, bottle cap, glue, it can be any type of glue, and a crush and a normal paper. It can be like both the sides already done or a normal paper. So let's get started now. Guys, now let's get started. So we're going to take a bottle cap, a glue and one toothpick. One ice cream stick. Now, if you have Fevicol or any glue that has to take some time to dry off and stick, then you can do this at the first itself. But that goes for me because I have a Fevicol and it takes some of the other time to take off the glue and stick properly. If you have a other glue like water glue or something like that, then it can dry, it can stick off easily but will not last for long. So let's get started. But I'm using Fevicol and I'm putting some glue on this now. Let me try taking this off. Yeah. So I'm gonna put some glue here. So just rub up the glue like this, and you have to take this and put it like this. So if you have here, you have to slowly look properly and put it in the correct order. And let's just keep it here until it dries. So, or in place of this, you can even take a spoon and keep. Okay. So here, let's get started. Now we have to take 12 ice cream sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and keep the 12, and let us keep it in the correct order and make sure. Guys, this is how you have to keep in order, like this, okay. Now we have to take one rubber band, okay, and take the rubber band and take it like this and put the rubber band on one of the side so that it sticks up like this. Then take another stick like ice cream stick and put it through the first one, like here. From here, put it here. Okay, it should be equally on both the sides. Now take another rubber band and put it onto this side, but put it more tighter, so that this part comes as normal. Now as you can see, it's like this. Now we're going to take the front side and put one more rubber band over here. Okay, one more rubber band. Sorry. Now you're going to take another stick like this stick, and we're going to take another rubber band and we're going to put the rubber band over here. So here we have to do make sure that it's tight enough. Sorry, this came out. Shit. I'll keep it in the correct side.
Light up. Switch out.
And give some time to dry off. So it's not that stuck, so it might take some time, but until it dries, let's keep this model ready and keep it aside and take our paper, and you don't need any scissors. I'm just going to take with your naked hand and then just crush it. Okay. like this. We're going to. Oops, sorry. So we're gonna make it as a ball. It's not compulsory for it to come as a actual ball. It can come like crushed or something like that, and make it ready. So at least 3 or 5 balls should be ready. And yeah, let's get started. So better take even number. So even your friend can take 3 and you can take 3, and let's get started. Now as you can see, I have taken 3 balls equally for my brother and me. Now what you do is, you have to take it, put it like this, and the activity how we play is like this. And let's get started. Here we are ready with our capital, with our catapult, and with some balls ready. So now we're going to take one, put it here, and we're going to do like this and make it pop somewhere. Let us see if it comes back to me, or is it like there's a wall here, so let me see. Oh, it went earlier. I tried last time, it went too far, too away till the bedroom. Let me try now how it comes. So I'm gonna try the same ball. It depends on the force you pull. So, where's that thing gone? I'm really not able to find that other ball. I just have 5 and I lost the ball. It's somewhere on the table. Anyways guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video and you can make it at home. It's super duper easy. In place of these, I would give you an idea to keep even straws. Okay, but it depends on like you have to have more straws. You can keep even straws in this. If you don't have these ice cream sticks, you can even use the straws or anything that you have. Thank you.